and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Well, this brings us to the end of the introductory lesson on drug abuse. Any questions? Yes.
Madam, the main problem with these so-called hard drugs is their negative side effect. But even prescribed drugs also have side effects. So what does one do?
Yes, indeed. Some foods also have their negative side effects. The question is the degree. If the side effects of a drug is so damaging as to render its curative or helpful powers redundant, by all means, don't use it. Yes.
What is the status of research on these drugs, madam? I have heard marijuana, for instance, has a lot of creative potential.
Yes, that may be true, but it also has very damaging compounds that can cause brain damage, cancer, and a lot more. Research is ongoing to sanitize these drugs, but you can also look at that area for your dissertation. Well, time's up, folks. Next week, we'll take a trip to the asylum at Pantang. If you want to get to the bottom of things, you have to go to the field and investigate. In the meantime, I'd like to take this assignment down to be ready in 2 weeks.
Why, Sharon, are you trying to avoid me?
No, please, don't say things like that. You know I will never do anything like that. See, it's just that I have to go somewhere. I mean, if you have to see me, you just have to call me first. Not like call me. I mean, I might not be in. You see, you might come and then, meet me, and I don't like you walking around this place like that. See, my godfather, he called me. It was just last night. He said, let's go to this family reunion. He said, it's so urgent, I have to go. I know we're supposed to be together and everything. I'll make it up to you. See, that might be him. Like, excuse me. Hello? Hi. You're there already? I'm coming. I mean, I'm almost there. Bye.
Hey, Obama and Nettie saw trouble for. Obaka's autonomous. Sweet ladies. Oh, my friend. Kwesi Prempe is my name. And money is my game. To whom do I have the meeting pleasure?
Isinam, sir.
That's a sweet name.
Thank you. How may I help you?
Help me? With 20 buildings in this country, I mean 2 in each region? Come on. I don't need anybody's help. Maybe you do. Take this. You can call me when you need a job or something. All right?
Thank you, sir.
You need a man. I mean, bad man in some will be no handle. What I say? Madam Freddy, she's too known. Don't mind her.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Niamawaha.
Take a look at this. What a character. Typical. Don't you know him? Why? Who's he? One of Sharon. And I don't want anything to do. For real? Yeah. No one.
I'm sorry, I didn't look where I was going. I'm very sorry.
Never mind.
I am a businessman. So I've told you that let's take advantage of this agua business. I mean, the cassava initiative, the textiles and all that. I'll call you later.
Give me a heart.
You're looking exotically romantic.
What? It is possessed with the spirit of Jezebel. I just had a vision about it.
The chick of it. Mind your own business, okay?
Oh, Shakataramam. I'll bind the spirit of Jezebel. I'll bind the spirit. Aish. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Sun City, Sun City.
I'm missing it.
Let's sit outside.
Are you sure you don't like the inside?
Oh, come on. There is a better view from outside.
Now, what are you going to have?
Something light. Get me a plate of your salad and a glass of your fruit cocktail.
Is that all? Look here, I can buy the whole place for you. Meet me at Tohenama. So ask for more and I'll do it.
Run along now, I'm starving.
I'll be with you. I need some pizza. More looking for us.
Hello, darling. I miss you terribly. I'm in school. Yeah, we have a test tomorrow, so I am going to the library.
The library?
Yeah, the library.
You liar! I've been watching you for the last 5 minutes.
I don't understand.
Since you came in here without food, I'm coming to get you. are not talking sense. Because a man has to do what a man got to do.
Hello?
To Regni for the welfare of the state. Colleagues, friends, comrades, countrymen, please pay attention. It was thus Nkrumah uttered, "Seek ye first the political kingdom, and so shall it be." I stand here today to seek your mandate. Not for myself, nay, nay! Service to mankind is service to God. That is all I desire, to serve. And let me by this also serve notice to the nation records amongst us. Beware the ides of March, for you shall know no peace under my regime. My integrity and missionary zeal shall burn hotter than the furnaces and nuclear weapons of Babylon. Akuna Matata! Akuna Matata! Akuna Matata! Ayego, perpetual optimism is a false multiplier. Call him Pope. You see, society is continually changing. Order in nature is only temporary in duration, and man is unknown even to himself. Nobility and dignity comes from the struggle of the chaos within and about. The ordinary working man is the foundation of human life, and the most important freedom is economic.
My latter-day politician.
I will be there. Akuna Matata! Akuna Matata!
Sun City, Sun City.
Maybe she's gone to the ladies.
Anyway, I'm so prepared to have it here.
Can I please put that?
Yes.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. How are you? Trump will change the anyway, Sam Magana.
Get into the car.
Explain
what?
You know what you're thinking.
Have you realized all you've been saying doesn't make sense?
Baby, it's because you haven't been listening.
Am I there? I think I'm a kid.
Okay. Hold on.